In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create vendors in X-Pro. Navigate to the X-Pro tab. Choose All Vendors. Click on the Add Vendor button at the top right corner. Enter the vendor's name in this space. Enter the email address here. Please enter your country code followed by your phone number. Select your user group. Select a country from the list. Select the state of your country. Please provide the postal address. Once all the details have been entered, click the Create button to establish the vendor. Your vendor has been added. You have the option to view, edit, or delete it from this location.